No.
Ready? I'm not doing it today.
Then four.
Alright. Hey!
What the hell? That was sick.
In! Put it in, you fool! Here, guys! Here, guys! Oh, look at that!
One more.
Wait, let me find
I need to put heat. That's a waste of some people's $3 that I don't care about. I'm gonna suck on that.
Hey, $1 was mine, so I get to knock it over after.
Yeah.
No, I'm drinking.
Oh, what the fuck?
Screw you, Miller. Oh, no! Reason gave me a piece of light. Look at it.
People.
Wait.
Alright, boys, what are you doing here?
Freezing, stop! Why didn't you buy one if you want one?
Because I can get it for free.
Oh,
Still going.
Put on YouTube.
It's not that good.
You're a hobo.
Look at the way just washed up at home. That's what it is. Are you even filming it, you fool, man?
Yeah.
Do you want some?
Hold the bottle, hold the bottle.
Do you want some more? No, man, I'll take the rest.
Yeah, I want some. Johnny, you want the rest?
Gotta blow.
Ah!